Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to start trading on KuCoin. First, you'll need to set up your account. Begin by registering with a valid email address or phone number. After that, complete your identity verification, also known as KYC, to access higher trading limits and more features. Finally, for robust security, make sure to enable two-factor authentication. This crucial step protects your assets and personal information, giving you peace of mind as you begin your trading journey. Once your account is secure, the next step is funding it. You have several convenient options. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency directly from another wallet or exchange. Alternatively, purchase crypto using fiat currency through methods like a credit card or bank transfer. KuCoin also offers peer-to-peer, or P2P, trading, allowing you to buy crypto with your local currency from other users. Choose the method that best suits your needs to get started. Now, let's explore the trading interface. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the spot trading section, paying close attention to the order book, which shows current buy and sell orders. Understand the various order types, such as limit orders for specific prices, market orders for instant execution, and stop limit orders for risk management. Utilizing price charts and technical indicators will significantly help you make informed trading decisions. You are now ready to place your very first trade. Begin by selecting a trading pair, for example, Bitcoin versus Tether or BTC/USD. Next, choose your preferred order type, whether it's a limit order for a specific price or a market order for immediate execution, and then specify the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Carefully confirm all your order details before submitting, and then monitor its execution in real time. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.